Hello everyone. Before you start this video tutorials, I would like to give you an introduction about our video tutorials and also our SAT application, the one we launched in the Apple Store and Google Play Store. Let me introduce the first our application. If you go to Apple Store, you just type it Digital SAT Math, you will see our application on the right side. This is the logo, and you open it, and then this is ours, the main page. You may first sign up to see this page with your email. So after that, you will see there are four kind of books here. This is part of SAT, Digital SAT Algebra, SAT Algebra Problem Solving, Advanced Math, Geometry, and Trigonometry. Each of them, when you click it, you can see the titles, subjects, and here we have for each of them, each topics, we have a test. You can see the number of the test. And for each test, you will see in the application solutions. So if at the end of the test, you can check your answers. And after that, you can, if you have a incorrect questions, you can check the solutions. After the solutions, you can go to any time to check the progress. In here, you can see each of the books and what progress you did it. I just did as a sample this one. I just try to solve linear equations, the first test. So I just randomly select some questions, 7 correct, 4 incorrect, and 5 unanswered. So what does it mean, this table? So when you go here, so for the first books, we have this is the topics, and the number of the questions on the right left side, the total, the correct and incorrect items. Okay, so what you should do here, you can, when you finish your test, you should check your correct answer here. It should be the as a percentage at least 80%. If it is 90%, this is really good. So if it is below the 80% each topics, it means that you did not learn some important parts, you are missing some questions, you are making mistakes. So below 80, it's a red flag. You have to review again videos and additional videos from YouTube, some other video tutorials from Khan Academy or anywhere. So, or ask for some teachers, your tutors. You should understand very well. Your correct answer percentage should be at least 80%. If your target is to get close 700, 650 to 700, it should be at least 80%. If your target is to get at least 700, it should be 90, 750 plus 95%. And then definitely you will get your perfect score. Here, there are some tips you can explore and how to prepare yourself for the exam. For these tips, I can just tell you based on your schedules, if you have a 2 months, 3 months, or 1 month schedule, you can make your prepare yourself for the exam. So I highly suggest when you start for SAT, I don't know, you take one time, two times, or this is the first time. I'm just considering like average students who take two, three times the exams. He has a 600, 550 points. He wants to improve himself, and he has some basic knowledge, let's say. So what I suggest to watch this all the videos. Let's say he watched the algebraic expression. It's 30 minutes, like 10 minutes each video, three videos. And right after videos, he can go back here and then solve these questions. So if this is not enough, you can explore in the YouTube, Google to find more practice for more questions about the topics if your progress is below the 80%. Okay? So I highly suggest you to make at least two practice tests every weekend, like one Saturday and Sunday. So you can download this practice test from the College Board website, Blue Book, and then you can start at exact time, 8 a.m. You have your breakfast, prepare yourself in your room, and it's silence, no one disturb you. You just start it, and after that, you just record your scores, check your mistakes, try to understand what topics you made mistakes. In the second exam, are you doing the same mistakes? So you can just write your weakness, and after that, try to improve your weakness. Okay. So let me show you some statistics results. So I am statistician at the same time. I would like to talk to you with numbers. So this is the one of the sample. Let's say one student started from 550. He got 660. This is just random 10 exam scores. Let's say he's increasing every time. Okay. So maybe this is, let's say he took 20 practice tests, but this is the last 10. I always focus on last 10, okay? If you don't have last 10, last 8, it's okay. You can focus last 8. Here, the most important thing, you have to focus the average of the score and the standard deviation. You can use calculator or just Google it how to calculate. And this is very important. Let me show you this one on the graph. This is the student. He's taking first exam, second, third, fourth, fifth. I say this student is very successful, is increasing. He's daily studying 2 to 3 hours, and then this is his score is really getting improved. So what will be his real exam? Okay, let's talk about that. So this student's average is 611, let's say 610 from these exams. So the last one is 650, but the average is 610. But with one standard deviation, the student can still take 640 or 650, which is close to his last exam. Or with the two standard deviation, he can maybe get it 680 or 700 if he really study very well. But definitely, the students will not be below 575, which is maybe 580. This is the minimum score. If he is not feeling well, he was stressful, he didn't do very well, this will be his the last scores. So let me give you another example. This is another student. He's starting from 650 up to 720 his scores. The average is 685, let's say 680. So with the one standard deviation, he can get 710 or 730. Three standard deviation I did not add here, maybe 750 if he really study very well. So this last exams, last 10 exam, last 8 exam, if you use statistics, +1, -1, +2, -2 standard deviation definitely will be your scores. I don't use -2, -3 because definitely it can be the worst scenario, -1 standard deviation. But +2, +3, it can be if you really feel very well and then you self-motivated, why not? Your last exam is 720, you can get 730, 740. It's possible. It's not impossible.